All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. So the video some of you guys have asked me for is finally here. This is a review for the Zerolemon case, 4,000 milliamp hour Zerolemon case, battery case for the iPhone 12 mini. Now, I wanted to actually use this case for a little bit and tell you how many cycles I could get out of one charge. Now, the great part is that I just charged it up and it's only 3 left on there, but it took the phone up to 100 with ease with 1 bar. And the phone was at about 65, I think. So probably when I turn it on again, one of those bars will probably disappear quickly. But the first time I used the case, the first test that I did, I left the case going. I didn't power the case off and I just let it just tried to keep the phone at 100 for as long as it could. Now, since that video, I have to tell you, the phone has only died once and the case has only died once. So your initial video was put up, I think, 4 or 5 days ago. So that gives you some sense. Let me just confirm for sure here. Let me confirm when I originally put that video out. So it's been officially 4.5 days and the phone only died once and the case only died once. So 4.5 days, about 2 days ago, everything died and I put it on the charger and I left it just like this. I just plugged in the lightning cable and I started charging it. Now, I gotta say, this has been the best experience with a Zerolemon case on a phone when it comes to just using it like that, leaving it on and just having it keep the phone stay at 100 as long as possible. And then once it's not able to, once the case dies, then the phone starts to die. This has been one of the better experiences. So the second round that I'm doing here is I'm turning the case off once the phone gets to 100, then I'm letting the phone die a little bit, maybe 60, 50%, then I'll turn it back on. And both ways of trying that, this case actually works great. This is probably one of the best experiences for using a battery case on a device. Now, I haven't given you any updated videos on this. This is just a black iPhone mini 12 mini that I got. I got rid of my green and got a black. Don't ask me why. I just wanted to try the black. But nonetheless, this case actually is a great addition to this iPhone 12 mini. You could literally go 5-6 days, depending on who you are, probably even longer, with this battery case coupled with the iPhone 12 mini. I tell you no lies. This is a fantastic case. This is the first time I've taken it off since I posted that video back on the 26th. Seriously, I wouldn't lie to you. So, normally when I get these in for review, I do the reviews and I put these in like a tech bag or something like that. And I'll put it somewhere where I know I'm ready to go out and travel and use this. That's what I do. But this time I decided to just use it. And there's a phone number in here. I'm making calls or whatever. This is my T-Mobile line. It's just, it's there. It's being used. Phone calls, text, emails, all the same social media is being done with it. You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to give you a quick follow-up video, let you know this time around, man, not just because it's the iPhone mini 12 mini. I just think this combination is fantastic. Now, the downside, because it's not all roses, you know what I'm saying? The downside is that this is going to double the size of your phone. It's going to double the thickness. And it's an awkward shape. I mean, these are corner protections on here for drop protection. But, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna change the shape of your device. But it's still super comfortable, depending on how big your hands is. Like, my hand is huge. Depending on how big your hands are, fellas, ladies, this will be good for you no matter who you are. Because the phone is so small. You know what I mean? So I think this is probably the best look if you want to get a case and a battery. You don't want to carry around. This battery case lasts for some time, son. I'm telling you, this was probably the best thing I did for the iPhone 12 mini was get this battery case. Now, granted, there will be other battery cases out there from other OEMs. Let's just be clear. You'll be able to, and this one now, Zerolemon is like everybody else. They're dropping their prices. I believe this is only 29 bucks. Most of those knockoff ones used to be 29 bucks, 25 bucks because I bought them, so I know. So I believe this one is $25 or $29 or something like that. Let me confirm real quick. But yeah, I think that's a good look. Let me see what the current pricing is right now on video for you. Let me see here. $29.99, son. And it's got a 5-star rating from the people online, but I'm giving it a 5-star rating from a real use. I don't know about the people online. Didn't even read those reviews, but I'm telling you, if you want to protect your phone, put a tempered glass on it and then get a Zerolemon case and you got battery and protection. they added these corner protection things, and I thought that was pretty dope that they decided to change up the design. At first, I wasn't really feeling it, but now, yeah, I'm feeling it. So that's a quick follow-up on the Zerolemon iPhone 12 mini battery case, 4,000 milliamp. Yes, wireless charging is supported as well. Some of you guys asked about that. Yes, wireless charging is supported. So you'll be good to go. It's called the SlimJuicer Portable from Zerolemon. Rechargeable battery case for your iPhone 12 mini. There it is. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And just for the record, I decided to use the Google Pixel 4a 5G to record this video, direct upload to YouTube. What do you think about the quality?